affirmatively stop it if it were going to be stopped. And we can draw down federal money. I was talking to legislative leaders the other day. I said, you know, we fight and scratch and claw for federal money, for transportation, for law enforcement. We hire lobbyists to go up there. We try to get as much disaster relief money as we can. We try to get as much education money that we can. But here we have access to $4 billion a year to get working people covered with health insurance, and we're not going to do it. We've seen real results in other states in the fight against opioid addiction when they've said yes and insured these people. We're talking about working people who are making too much to qualify for Medicaid, but not enough to qualify for the subsidies under the Affordable Care Act, and who don't work for employers who provide them health insurance and they can't afford it. So here's the opportunity for us to get them that help. And what's happening in these states is that you've got more addiction treatment coming. You've got more doctors to help to do that. You've got more places where they can get mental health treatment and where they can get substance use disorder treatment. And I was talking to Republican Governor John Kasich of Ohio a couple of months ago. After I won the argument about which state was first in flight, we flew the plane. They had the bicycle shop. I won that argument. He said, thank God we expanded Medicaid. We had a 54% drop in opioid overdose deaths in Dayton, Ohio, where they had a particular problem. And here we can insure veterans who don't have access to the VA. We have the ability to bring in tens of thousands of jobs. I would ask you